Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Today I'm playing in a bright colored journal I've been working in, and I was inspired a while ago by a picture I saw on Pinterest, and it was a side tuck made of tiny little envelopes, and I just thought it was the cutest thing, and I've been wanting to make one. It wasn't a tutorial or anything, it was just a picture I saw. So I'm gonna do it, the way I think they did it. I don't know if it is or not, but first I need to find a page that I think it'll go on. And I thought about doing it on a plain page, but I really want to save these for writing. So I'm gonna look for another page. Maybe this one. What I did was I already made a bunch of these little envelopes, and that's the first thing you need is a bunch of tiny envelopes. So I made a whole bunch of these. Let's pull them out and see. I think these would look, and these are just little tiny wonky envelopes. And I made them all different shapes and sizes, and got a little shadow there. I have to do something about my lighting in this room. Different shapes, sizes. There's little tiny ones. There's tall ones. There's just all different kinds of them here. So I made a bunch of those. We've got those going on. And then I want to show you how I made them. So let's set this aside for now. Pull out a piece of paper. And the thing you need is, I used scrap papers for all of these. I just pulled out some of my bigger scrap papers, and I used a lot of my bright colored scrap papers. So I'm just gonna cut off a smallish piece of paper here, and I don't measure them. Try to get it like a rectangle if you can. Something like that. And this one is just over 5 by almost 4. Let's see how that does for us. I don't know what size this will be, but there we go. It looks pretty rectangular-ish. So you got your piece of paper. Now what you do, and what I'm going to do is attach a video of making these wonky envelopes that I already made and attach it to this, so it'll go into more depth, but I will show you here quickly how to make them. This is a little crooked. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see. What you do is you fold it in, fold the sides in, and I take a bone folder to get a real good crease. And I don't know, that's about, on this one, it's about 3/4 of an inch, I'd say. You really don't need to measure it. These are going to be the side flaps of the envelope, okay? So what we're looking for is the crease. We need to see that, okay? And then you're going to fold up your bottom flap for your envelope till about halfway up, I guess, and give that a good crease. And then fold your top flap down like an envelope would be. Give that a good crease. So when you open this back up, you'll have 4 points where your crease is met. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? So where this meets here, that's a crease. That's a crease, there's a crease, and there's a crease where they all intersect. And what I'm going to do is put a circle there so you can see those really well. So do you see where those intersect? Okay. Now what we're going to do is take our scissors. This is the side, this is the side, this is the bottom, and this is the top. We're going to, you can even draw this if you want to. You can draw your side flap is going to be a little curved. Your bottom will be a little curved. And then your side will be a little curved. You can really do this without drawing, and my drawing is not great. I do it better just cutting it. And then your top, I usually make it something wonky, something like a big curve and then a small curve and then down to this point. And the main thing is you want all your points to connect. You see what I drew there? And then I'm going to cut that. So you want this first one to go to that dot, and then you're going to go up here and curve it a little, and then curve it a little and go to that dot, and then go up here and curve it to that dot. These are wonky envelopes. They don't need to be perfect. It doesn't matter that you draw on them. We're going to close them up and glue them closed, so it's okay. Okay. And then what you do is you fold that in like that, and you've got your envelope. Now that's a pretty big one, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is ink the edges of it. And I inked the my inside edges on my other one, but I didn't need to, but I will ink the bottom here because it will show. And this bottom here. And this top here. Okay, so we've got that inked. Now we're going to glue it. Glue these side flaps down first. Then this bottom flap up. And the top flap down. So you see, you won't see any of this drawing. If you want to draw them, you can draw them. Okay, so there's an envelope. Now what I'm going to do is get our book back here and take a piece of scrap paper . I've just got a piece of printer paper here. I'll just use a piece of this. And make a strip that is as long as your book page and maybe about an inch wide. And just cut that down there, maybe a little less than an inch. And this is going to be the base for my envelopes. Okay. Hope everybody is having a great day. I am. This will be the base, and the things will slide in here and behind the envelope. So we'll only glue it down at the top and the sides. Okay. So I'll use the rest of it to glue on. All right, so we've got our base here. And let's set these out how we want them to go. Got a big one there. Let's see. Bunch of green. I'd like to do this black one on here. like that maybe, and then we'll do some of the smaller ones on top, but let's glue these down first. I think that'll be the easiest. And I'm going to try to keep the glue on the side. Well, I guess it doesn't matter because, yeah, it doesn't matter because we're going to glue it, and we're going to tuck it under the strip so we can glue it all the way down. Just put some glue all down this. Okay, this is looking cute already. I love it. Just putting a little glue down the middle here. Let's see, this black one will go right there. Got the creaky chair today. I had 2 office chairs in my craft room, and when I moved here, one of them came out to the new studio and one went to the, one went to my office in the house, and I put the wrong one in the wrong place. Okay, we need one more at the bottom. How about this bright green one? Oh, that is so cute. Okay, that's gonna go like that. Now let's see. Do we want to put some of these cute little ones on there? I'm not sure. I kind of like it without, but I don't know, maybe. I like the layered look. Okay, I think I'll do that. I think that's cute. I'm thinking about putting some gems on it too. We'll just go all out on this. Okay, now we're going to, let's glue this down. And what I'm going to do is put some glue at the top here and then all down the side. Okay, I think that is super cute. Let's see. This one needs a little more glue here. One of them does. I thought it did. Okay, I'm wrong. Perfect little tuck spot. Okay, now what we're going to do is take some of these gems maybe. They're all different colors, so you can mix and match them. We'll do a yellow one up here on this guy. Oh, that's adorable. I love it. How about a blue one right here? And a red one. These gems came from Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. I really love using them in my journals. And what could we do here? Green maybe? Okay, and then you just tuck in, you know, whatever you have. Journal card or whatever goes right there. Little tuck spot. Whoops. And let me show you. I think it is super cute. I love it. I hope you like it too. And if you do, please comment and like this video. Also, come visit me at my Etsy shop, which is linked below. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye now.